Hi, and welcome to A Tale of Two Toasts. If you're new here, I'm Kate, and here's where we discover quick and easy recipes. Today, we're going to be making pillow soft, delicious idlis with no mold in less than a minute. How is that, you say? With the Gits mix and my microwave. I just discovered this, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So there are just 3 easy steps to making this. And step 1 is you mix equal parts of the Gits idli mix with water. Step 2, you grease some mugs or cups and anything that's microwave safe. And step 3 is you put that batter into the mug like this. And boom, it's ready for the microwave. And to make sure that they don't dry, you can just add a little tiny drop of water on each. Not too much, just a little tiny, and that's optional. And now I'm going to microwave them one at a time for a minute each. It's been a minute and I have more than a minute, and I've cooked all the idlis. I've got 3 of them today. And you have to test if they're ready by inserting a knife, and if it comes out clean, it's good to go. So to unmold now, I'm going to make sure it's loose at the sides. And I'm going to toss it out. And that's idli number 1. I'm going to do that again. And while I do the second one, I'm going to ask you to go and hit subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to give this video a like. And now let's cut it up and see what it looks like inside. That's perfect. Look at it. Can you see the grain on my idli? It's pretty good. I encourage you to share this video with somebody who has moved out of home or moved into a hostel to start studying and would like a little taste of home. This is an easy, quick way to eat nutritious breakfast, which sometimes people skip because there's not enough time. So please share this recipe. I've also made some instant peanut chutney to go with. And to make this, I've used half a cup of coconut, grated and frozen, and some 2 cloves of garlic, a little pepper, and I've fried half an onion with about 2 tablespoons of peanuts until golden brown, and then added that to a magic bullet once it was cooled, and given that a quick whip, and there's my chutney all ready. I'm going to taste both the idli and the chutney right now. Definitely works. I'm probably going to stick to this new method now because it's so much easier and so much less work, and the finished product is almost just as good. So yep, I'm going to enjoy this, and I hope you have a lovely day too. Once again, please make sure you subscribe and share this video with someone who you think it will help. Have a great day.